Good morning, everybody. Today is November 25th, and this is a short week. We have Thanksgiving on Thursday, in which markets are closed. So, as I was saying on the note that I posted on Sunday night, this typically is as a bullish week. Bullish few days, and I was saying that I was expecting higher prices, but I also was cautious because we still have some poor structure below that we haven't repaired, but we do have a bunch of bullish imbalances. We literally opened with a gap up and didn't look back. We had a bullish imbalance here at 60.11, which we hit right away, and then another one at 60.33. We just hit almost to the tick. See, almost a few couple ticks from it. And then we have another one pending from a while back at 60.58, and we have some overnight highs that we haven't retested yet at 60.53.25. So, I'm looking for this area to be retested, attempt to make new highs. And but today we're opening with a RTH gap with inventory 100% long. So I'm looking to see if we correct some of that inventory and close that gap at 59.93.50. So even though I'm bullish, I know that we have poor structure in the below us, so I'm keeping my mind open to see both directions. But right now everything is moving higher. Indices are are all in sync. You can see Nasdaq and ES are both moving higher. Also Dow and Russell were moving together, so that makes it a little easier when you don't have divergences. So clearly direction is up. So if we start coming back into the overnight range where we broke from, basically value area, and clear the single prints, then I'm gonna be looking for an attempt to close that gap. If we close the gap, then look for 59.87 and yesterday's value area low at 59.78, which is also the half back from Friday's session. So and then if we get below that and then are able to retest this area, this is gonna act as support, this low volume node and yesterday's low. We're one time framing up now, and then this will be the line that separates both distribution, right? The area, the 59.65 area. So above it, look for the high volume nodes above, right? This one and this one at 60.15, I'm sorry. And then below it, we can look for a retest of this distribution and target eventually the 59.20 again. But for now, bulls in control. Let's see what else. NQ. So NQ is just broke. Actually, this whole area was a low volume area. I spent the whole night trading around it. Fill the RTH gap from this day that we've been looking for a few days. And now it's trading back inside this distribution. And this is a clear area where we can look for a move higher, right? A lot of volume at the 21,200. So if the bulls stay in control, look for that area. If we get back below, kind of like the ES, if we get back below the 975 area, which is where we broke from just now, I would look for a gap fill to Friday's high, and then this is where the area with most volume is on NQ, right below it, which is at 20,825 ish. Okay, and then crude. This is what crude looks like right now. So we're one time framing higher, but then just now we just broke the low from the overnight session, and then we're pulling back. If we break below this low volume area, 68.90 is the target, and then 68.05. And then if we get back above, we need to clear this right here, this area. Right below the 50 moving average, and the area is 70.48. And then we can target 71 again. So I'm gonna put this red. And gold, so gold, after moving higher, it hit this resistance area at 27.24, and now sellers are taking control. And this is, if you look at a weekly chart on gold, you can see that, let me pull it up here. So this is a weekly chart. Sorry, I have the wrong contract. Hold on one second. Oops, what did I do? I'm gonna roll back because I was looking at the next contract, but you can see that after we made highs, then we had the big sell-off. This is where that weekly candle was a big, the first big weekly down day, right? This is the reversal. And right in here, in the middle of this area that wasn't tested, now we're finding those sellers again, right? We tested that low, the weekly low, and then we're selling again. So, so now I'm looking for, we did get to that 20-day point of control. So now I'm looking to see if this area now supports right here. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be looking for 26.15 again. Okay, I think that's about it. Oh, so this week is a short week, but we do have a lot of economic releases, so we could see big moves. We have everything compressed because Thursday is a holiday and Friday there's not really much going on. So we have PCE on Wednesday, GDP, jobless claims, we have FOMC meeting minutes, we have a bunch of stuff coming up the next few days, so keep an eye on that. All right, have a good day.